If you can seem to get those stains and dirt of your carpet, no matter how hard you scrub, it may be time for an upgrade. Instead of throwing away your old carpet, a high-quality carpet cleaner can bring your old carpet back to life. But with so many carpet cleaners on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best carpet cleaners. Whether you're looking for a high-powered cleaner for tough stains or a cleaner that removes pet stains, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Bissell Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet Carpet Cleaner. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This compact, easy-to-use machine is very powerful when it comes to lifting out dirt, stains, and pet hair stuck in your carpet. This cleaner has a 4-row rotating power brush that digs deep into carpet fibers and makes it way easier to clean tough messes like muddy paw prints or spilled juice. It's also lightweight, so you don't have to break a sweat lugging it around the house. Whether it's high traffic spots or small area rugs, this machine gets right in there and freshens everything up. Plus, it's designed specifically to handle pet messes that is perfect for homes with furry friends. You'll need to add Bissell's cleaning formula to make it work its magic, but once you do, it leaves carpets looking and smelling new. The Turbo Clean Power Brush is simple to assemble, clean, and store. However, it might not be ideal for extensive deep cleaning tasks because of the no-hose attachment for handheld cleaning and the smaller water tank. But overall, the Bissell Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet Carpet Cleaner is a great choice for pet owners or those needing a quick, effective solution for smaller carpeted areas. Number 5 is the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. This is the best carpet cleaner for professional use on our list. This machine packs serious cleaning power with its extra-large dirt lifter power brush. This makes it a good fit for larger homes with ample storage and frequent carpet cleaning needs. It includes a 6-inch tough stain tool that is perfect for spots that need a little extra attention. Just snap it on and it can tackle even the most stubborn stains. It's designed with 8 rows of bristles that dig into carpet fibers, pulling out tough, ground-in dirt. This cleaner also comes with a 9-inch long-reach hose, which means you can easily clean stairs, upholstery, or those annoying corners. It's designed to help you clean every inch of your room with as little hassle as possible. You also get a bottle of Bissell Pro Max formula with Stain Protect technology, which not only gets rid of dirt, but also keeps new stains from setting in as quickly. It has a 1.7-gallon massive water tank. That's way more than most, so you won't be stopping every 5 minutes to refill it. This cleaner has some serious pull, even on unsealed surfaces, which means it can tackle pretty much any gunk trapped in there. Stains, wet or dry, doesn't matter. It's got the power to handle both. It works both forward and backward. You can just glide it back and forth without losing momentum. It's like having a carpet cleaning machine that just gets how you want to clean. Overall, the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is ideal for users needing deep, professional-grade cleaning at home. Number 4 is the Kenmore Revitalite Carpet Cleaner. This is the best mid-range cleaner on our list. It's built with serious cleaning power to tackle tough, set-in stains. This cleaner has a 3.2-liter clean water tank and a 1.4-liter dirty tank, so you can do a good amount of cleaning before needing to refill or empty it. It has a 25-foot power cord. You don't have to worry about constantly unplugging and moving it. It also features dual-powered brush rolls, which are specially designed to lift embedded dirt, odors, and stains right out of your carpets and rugs. It even comes with 2 removable brush rolls to make it easier to clean and maintain. The compact, lightweight, and portable design means you can easily carry it around or store it away when you're done. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt or tackling pet stains, the cleaner is up for the job. It's easy to handle, especially if you're new to carpet cleaning machines, and it delivers exceptional results. Overall, the Kenmore Revitalite Carpet Cleaner is a reliable and cost-effective choice for those who need a robust, portable carpet cleaner without breaking the bank. And if you want to know the latest prices for the carpet cleaners discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus. This is the best carpet cleaner for those who have pets on our list. It's a powerhouse when it comes to deep clean carpets, so you can get rid of that pet hair. This upright cleaner can tackle annoying pet stains and odors that seem impossible to get rid of. It features a dual dirt lifter power brush that is made up of 2 powerful rows of bristles that dig deep to lift away dirt, pet hair, and other gunk trapped in your carpet. Plus, it has a special clean shot feature that sprays extra solution directly on tough spots, which is perfect for high traffic areas or unexpected messes. This model also boasts fast dry time. After using it, your carpets can be dry in about 30 minutes, which means you won't have to wait forever to walk around again. For pet owners, it comes with a pet upholstery tool and a tough stain tool, which makes it easy to clean couches, stairs, and other areas where pet hair and dirt build up. It also comes with a handy hose and attachment tool that lets you clean hard-to-reach spots. So whether it's a small stain or a large area, this cleaner can handle it all. However, its heavier build can be a little troublesome for some users. Plus, the dedicated tanks for dirty and clean water are relatively small, totaling 1 gallon, so you may need to refill and empty them multiple times during a full home cleaning session. Overall, the Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus is a great choice for deep cleaning carpets, particularly in pet-friendly homes. Number 2 is the Smartwash Plus Automatic Carpet Cleaner. This is the best value carpet cleaner on our list. This cleaner makes deep cleaning as easy as vacuuming due to its motion sensing design. All you do is push it forward to wash and pull it back to dry. It also features auto-dry technology. It uses powerful suction to dry your carpets faster, meaning less waiting around for them to dry. Plus, it has Flex-Force power brushes that get down deep to lift out even the toughest dirt, pet messes, and stains. It's like giving your carpets a serious makeover every time you clean. This Hoover is tough on messes but gentle enough to use on delicate fabrics. It even comes with a 2-in-1 pet tool to target pet hair, dander, and stubborn stains on upholstery or stairs. By pairing it with a Hoover carpet cleaner solution, you can get that super bright, refreshed look in no time. This carpet cleaner offers efficient, hands-free cleaning, but it does have some potential drawbacks. For example, some users find this Hoover feels less sturdy compared to older models. Overall, the Smartwash Plus Automatic Carpet Cleaner is a popular choice for easy, deep carpet cleaning with minimal manual effort. Number 1 is the Shark EX 2-0-1 Carpet Expert Carpet Cleaner. This is the best overall carpet cleaner on our list. This cleaner targets stains without extra attachments. It's made for anyone who wants an easy way to keep carpets, rugs, and upholstery super clean. It knows its job very well, whether it's pet messes, drink spills, or everyday dirt. This carpet cleaner features Stain Striker technology. It has a built-in spot and stain cleaner that targets tough spots instantly. So if you have pets that like to make messes or kids who spill, you'll love how fast and effective this tool is at keeping everything looking new. Due to its powerful suction, it digs deep to pull up dirt and grime from the roots of your carpet fibers and makes stains disappear from the surface. Plus, it's easy to maneuver and works on different surfaces like area rugs, stairs, and upholstery, which means it's perfect for a whole house cleanup. The machine is also simple to use. Just press and go. No need to measure out complicated solutions, and it's built to last. Its design makes cleaning less of a chore and more of a quick fix to keep your space looking sharp and fresh. It targets stains without extra attachments. This thing is a beast on both wet and dry stains. Emptying it out is quick and straightforward, and cleaning it up after a messy job won't feel like a second chore. Plus, it's surprisingly lightweight and agile. You can zip it around furniture and maneuver it in tight spaces like it's no big deal. However, its water tank is on the smaller size compared to others on this list. Plus, while it performs well on typical household stains, some users found it less effective on extremely dirty or high-traffic areas, especially without pre-treatment. Overall, the Shark EX 201 Carpet Expert is a solid choice for keeping everyday dirt under control in a user-friendly package. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process process and makes your quest for the perfect carpet cleaner much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.